kuyalinda. Kupunguza gesi sumu, tumia kawi badala, ni amani ya kudumu, mikakati mijadala. Ni wajibu kwetu sote mazingira kuyalinda, ni wajibu kwetu sote mazingira kuyalinda. Wagale alisema tupande miti, tupande miti ni ya kienyeji, tupande miti ni ya kisasa, tupande miti ni ya matunda kwetu. Mbio 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 tupande miti, mbio 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 tupande miti, tupande miti ni ya kienyeji, tupande miti ni ya kisasa, tupande miti ni ya matunda kwetu.
My name is Susan from a company called Trina Concepts Limited. We deal with agrotourism and conservation and environment tourism. We are here to teach you as our young generation on the importance of taking care of the nature, because if we don't take care of nature, nature will not take care of us.
I'm Alex Gaho. By profession, I'm an agronomist. Right now, I'm working at Equity Bank, Tirum branch, as a payment agent. And today I'm here to support Trina Concepts in tree planting, of which it has been facilitated by Equity Bank. We are going to do some demonstration on how we are going to plant our trees. Before planting, we are supposed to water our seedlings, so to loosen the soil and to avoid damaging our roots when removing the polythene paper. So we are going to do this. Before planting, we are supposed to remove the polythene paper, and after removing the polythene paper, you place your tree on the already prepared hills, and the required hill size is 2 feet deep, 2 feet wide, 2 feet by 2 by 2 feet. Then you place your tree on the already prepared hill. You backfill your hill with the topsoil mixed with the manure up to this height, to the nursery height. Then after backfilling your hole, you made a ridge to prevent the water logging.